Shayla's first time ever being sick. And she's doing a good job eating her edamame that her grandmother bought her. She's telling us her woes. Tell us more. Uh-huh. What else? Yeah? Then what happened? Anything more? Okay. Shayla, you say ball?
Ball.
Yes.
Ball.
Yes. Oh, the ball's on the floor? Is that what you're pointing to?
Ball.
Ball? Let's see if we can find the ball. Ball. Can you say shoes? Yes. Shoes. Can you say bee? Bee? Bee. Can you say baby? Baby. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Oh, you want some milk? Okay. All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you want to go up. Okay. A lot of language right now. Bye.